The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for western Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Gastonia, or near town of Lake Wylie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Wylie, Cramerton, McAdamville, Charlotte Douglas Airport and Lowell around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paw Creek, Southwest Charlotte, Mount Holly and Belmont around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntersville and Northwest Charlotte around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Crowders, Lucia and Croft. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for eastern Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and western Caswell County in north-central North Carolina until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near McLeonsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, emergency managers in Guilford County reported a tornado on the ground. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Eden, Reedsville, Wentworth, Bethel, and Providence. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. On the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Stay tuned to AIL at All Hazards Radio. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northwestern Stokes County, southwestern Patrick County in southwestern Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dobson, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Flat Rock, Dodson, Pilot Mountain, Ararat, Francisco, and Bottom. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Stokes and Surrey, and Patrick, Virginia.
A hot tar in the morning. Yeah, baby!
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County and Stokes County, effective until 7:30 p.m.
All new episodes, Friday nights at 5 on Nickelodeon.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County, Stokes County, Henry County, Patrick County, Pittsylvania County, and the city of Martinsville, effective until 7:54 p.m.
Go.
Candy bar.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Nice and roomy.
Do you want your grow juice?
Eastern Stokes County, Northwestern Rockingham County, Southwestern Henry County, Southeastern Patrick County, and Southwestern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Danbury, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mayodan, Madison, Walnut Cove, Stoneville, Danbury, Spencer, and Sandy Ridge. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Rockingham and Stokes, and the following counties in Virginia, Henry and Patrick.
Come on in, it's all you can eat.
4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Clemens, or 9 miles south of Winston-Salem, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington, Thomasville, Kernersville, Clemens, Stokesdale, Walkertown, and Rural Hall. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 100 and 130. Interstate 40 between mile markers 185 and 210. Interstate 74 between mile markers 56 and 68. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, and Guilford.
Like outdoor seating, dining sets, grills, and more. And get it all with fast, easy shipping right to your door. Now is the time to get your space ready for barbecues, backyard hangs, and summer parties. Plus, score surprise flash deals for just 24 hours. So don't wait. Shop Wayfair's 4th of July clearance now through July 6th for can't miss summer savings.
Wayfair, every style, every home.
You're watching Nicktoons. Keep it here.
Are you ready?
Winds could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Allegheny, Lewisburg, White Sulphur Springs, Ronceverte, Jordan Mines, Pickaway, and Greenbrier River Trail. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County, Charlotte County, Campbell County, northeastern Pittsylvania County, northern Halifax County until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Straight Stone, or near Mount Airy, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Appomattox, Hurst, Etna, Brookville, Keysville, and Charlotte Courthouse. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 37. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charlotte County, Halifax County, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Laurel to South Boston to near Ringgold to near Samora to Baines, moving east at 40 miles per hour.